Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to delete Hearthstone account using your Hearthstone application on a mobile device. First of all, open up the Hearthstone app on your device and then from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the game menu page, click on Options. From the options, select Privacy option. On the next page, click on the Delete Account button from the menu, and this will take you to the battle.net website. From here, you can go ahead and submit a ticket. Click on this Click Here link in order to request the deletion of your account. Follow through the instructions. This will open up a new tab, but you'll need to log into your account first by entering your credentials. After you type down your credential for your battle.net account, go through a security check, enter the security code that will be sent to you via your email, write it down correctly in the text box. Open up your email and then look for the email from battle.net. You will then be able to find the security code sent to you via email. Enter the code in the text box. Make sure to enter the correct one. Finally, click Submit. Right after you do that, your request will be processed. Go through the information first. Deleting your battle.net account will also delete your name, information, security details, payment methods, and purchase history, and so on. If you're sure you'd like to delete, tap on I understand at the bottom and click Continue. Your deletion request may take up to 30 days to complete, so after you do that, you will be able to delete your Hearthstone account. You may also be asked to enter a verification code that you received via email on the next page once you click the Delete option. After verifying your email that you received from Blizzard Entertainment, click the Submit button and then your request will be completed, and that way you will be able to delete your Hearthstone account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.